Hey guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to this week's video. So this week I got so slammed up that I thought I would miss an upload, but thankfully I got time and did some cleaning in our bedroom. It has been long time coming, cause these days I mostly just get to make the bed and leave it at that, but I'm glad I got time to wipe down the surfaces and change the bedding and did some vacuuming. I'm so happy I got to do that, and so I'll be sharing with you how and what I did, and I hope you get to enjoy the video. And please don't forget to leave a like and a comment. I will appreciate it. And oh guys, I did convince my significant other to cook chapatis for us. Guys, truthfully, it took some convincing, and I'm glad he agreed. And yes, he made some chapatis for us, and I actually like the way he makes them. He's so meticulous and takes his time. For me, I'm normally like 1 to 3 and I'll be done. Unlike him, I don't like cooking chapatis, and I never opt to do it. So yes, we had some leftover green grams, that is ndengu, in the refrigerator, and that's why I decided we have some chapos. And yeah, so yeah, wait and see how he does them. I'm not lying, but he does it better. I hope you get to enjoy the rest of the video.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. So every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So I'm done with cleaning the bedroom. Like, I got to clean the parts that I wanted to clean, and I'm so glad that it is now dust free. And what I also did get to mop the floors. Unfortunately, I did not record that part. I actually thought I was recording, but I did not hit play. But yeah, that is that. I'm glad that the room is now clean. So it's now time to head to another area of the house. So guys, this is the part that I really wanted you to see, as he does his magic. Yes, it's magic because he makes the best chapatis, and I'm glad that he got to do this for us. Yeah, we will be having this some leftover nengu that is in the refrigerator. So for now guys, ensure that you watch until the end so that you see what I'm talking about.
Really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.